Hi, my name is Tracy Frank Meyer, and I would like to introduce you to my book, Incompatible with Nature, A Mother's Story. I'm standing outside the Children's Clinic in Cologne, Germany, where my odyssey began some 30 years ago. It is here where the doctors told me that my baby was born incompatible with nature and that I should let him die. Incompatible with Nature is my story of coming to terms with motherhood in a foreign country and with a language I didn't understand as I struggled with my son's dire prognosis and yet did all I could to ensure he had a fair chance at life. It is a story about rebellion, a story about resilience. It is a tale of hope and a testimony to the perseverance of the human spirit. It is indeed a story that will give encouragement to everyone facing a battle not of his or her own choosing. This is a story you don't want to miss.